and welcome to Nana's Crafty Home. My name is Tanya. Today's tutorial is going to show you how to crochet this fun pom-pom border. This pom-pom border was featured on my Winter's Night Rhapsody blanket that you can find as a free pattern on my website. You can find a link below in the description to find those free written pattern instructions. You can use this border on blankets, scarves, wearables, any project that needs just a fun little extra three-dimensional texture. Perfect for baby blankets. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to chain one and single crochet in that chain one space, and then chain six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then I'm going to work a double crochet 4 together in the 4th chain from the hook. So counting over to the 4th chain, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In that chain, I'm going to work a double crochet 4 together by yarning over, inserting my hook into that chain, yarning over and pulling up a loop, yarning over and pulling through 2. And I'm going to repeat that 3 more times. Yarn over, insert my hook into that same chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert my hook into that same chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. You'll have 5 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on your hook. Chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to work a double crochet 4 together, so repeating that same stitch in that 3rd chain from the hook. So counting over 1, 2, and 3 in that 1st chain after my last double crochet 4 together, I'm going to work another double crochet 4 together. Now, I'm going to fold these 2 clusters together. So fold them towards each other, just like this, and you're going to slip stitch into that 1st chain, so that same chain as that 1st double crochet 4 together. So I worked that 1st double crochet 4 together in this chain. I'm going to fold those clusters together, insert my hook into that same chain, and slip stitch. And that will bring those clusters together, creating my pom-pom shape. Once you've worked that slip stitch, now you're going to chain 2, so 1 and 2, and then you're going to single crochet in the next chain 1 space. So I've worked that first pom-pom. So then once you've worked your single crochet in that next chain space, you're going to chain 2 and single crochet in that next chain space, and we're going to be repeating our sequence for our pom-pom. So chaining 6, double crochet 4 together in that 4th chain from the hook, chaining 3, double crochet 4 together in the 3rd chain, slip stitch in that first chain that we worked in, chaining 2, single crochet in that next chain 1 space, chain 2, single crochet in that next chain space, and repeat. So you're going to be repeating that sequence, working a pom-pom in that next chain space, and then after that pom-pom you'll work a single crochet in the next, chain 2, single crochet in the next, and work another pom-pom. And you're going to continue repeating that to your chain 2 corner space. And now I'm going to be working in that chain 2 corner space. So I'm going to work a single crochet, pom-pom, so chaining 6, double crochet 4 together, chaining 3, double crochet 4 together, slip stitch, chain 2, single crochet in that same chain 2 corner space, and I've worked the corner.
Now I'm going to work the same pom-pom stitch sequence on each side of my blanket, working a pom-pom in each corner space around my project. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial today. Thanks so much for being with me. As always, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss a new video. Thanks everyone. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.